Well, I'm at the Playbox Technology stands here at IBC 2017. This is one of a number of videos that we're doing here, so don't forget to check out the others. And they're all with this man, Mr. Ben Gunkel. Hi, Ben.
Hello again.
So, Ben, we're going to talk about Cloud Air. Tell us a bit about Cloud Air.
Right, okay, so Cloud Air is a front end which is designed to control multiple airbox channels. And those channels can be in a private cloud or a public cloud, or they can be in physical servers installed in a data center somewhere. And the users control the playlist creation, the graphics templates, they have MAM tools, QC, transcoder, all via a web-based software called Cloud Air.
Let's have a look.
Okay, so on this screen, this looks like a Windows desktop, but it's actually within Chrome browser. Yeah. So this product is sold on a software as a service basis, and it's installed on a server farm which will be installed in a data center, and the user operates it by accessing it through a Chrome browser. When you maximize the screen, it looks like a desktop, so you have a menu here which looks very similar to Windows, and the desktop icons. And you can see that the features of Cloud Air include a media browser, which is media asset management, playlist manager for creating and editing playlists, schedule manager, quality control, transcoder, etc. And we also include the graphic editor for making the title box templates, so you can integrate that with the playlist. So what I'm going to do here is just click on this one of these buttons here, which says media browser. It's going to open up a window where I can browse my content on my network using a Windows-style search tools to bring up all of my assets. I can then have a look at the metadata included in within these assets. I can add, delete, edit metadata content. When you upload new files into this via the web browser, it automatically creates a proxy file for browsing, all of the usual things that you would expect. You can take an asset and you can send it to the transcoder or to quality control unit. That then goes off to another part of the server farm where it's processed and then delivered back here, ready for transmission. And we've got our own encoder, our own transcoder. It also includes playlist managers, so you can, in a very similar way to using Listbox, create and edit playlists. You get your thumbnails. You can use a clip trimmer to create in and out points on files. And you know, it's the same as the media browser. You can search for contents search for playlists in a folder structure which is mapped to your network drives. You can also see contents on your network as well, which you map. You can drag and drop files into a playlist. You can actually have multiple playlists running on the same screen. So if you want to do 2 or 3 channels and maybe they need to be similar, you can open 2 windows and sort of replicate it there. But it contains, you know, really all the tools that are needed to set up, the Playbox channels with different users that can have different access rights. And the advantage of this over the traditional tools is because it's web-based for service providers who want to offer remote control channels to their clients from anywhere in the world. Instead of giving them a piece of software to install on a computer, like a laptop or a desktop, they have a web login. And they can log into this and they can only see their content on the network and on the storage drive. So you can create a whole environment for lots of channels and lots of customers without them interfering with each other. And you know, it looks like Microsoft Windows, so it's not a difficult tool to navigate. We'd be here all day if I gave you a full demonstration, but we do have some training videos and demo videos on the website, so they're worth a look at if people want to go to our website and check it out.
So you mentioned website.
Yeah.
Where should they go?
Playboxtechnology.com. It has its own Cloud Air section. All the resources are in there. Or contact one of the sales team and we'll be more than happy to give you a demo. Or set up a demo system for the customer, give them a login, they can play with a real system. So.
Ben, that's great. Thank you very much. There you go. That's the Cloud Air system, an amazing system as always from Playbox Technology. So go and check that out. Have a look at their website. Don't forget to look at the other videos that we've done here at Playbox Technologies stand here at IBC 2017.